Hi everyone, so while I was working, Rocket talked about framing his diamond painting, the Spider-Man. And I've been delaying it because...
And he's cut this because it doesn't fit.
Why'd you tell him already?
And look, he cut this too. I tried to cut it.
He was trying to cut it, and so I had no choice but to go ahead with it.
For my scissors. See? Can you see this letter?
Okay.
See that letter? There's a letter that look.
Yeah, there's letters. J-O-Y. Joy.
Joy?
Joy scissors.
Joy scissors.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Cutting joy. Joy cutting.
And joy.
Okay, so this is what we have to do. Rocket already started cutting it. No choice. I was still planning how to do it. But he started it, so might as well cut it all off. And I already bought this, but just haven't gotten around framing his diamond painting.
And then he just cut that off.
Yeah, I'm about to explain it. So I was fitting it to the diamond painting.
He cut this one part.
And I told him it was a bead too long, a bead row too long. And I said, Rocket, I'm gonna cut it, okay? He says, I'm gonna be okay. Right, Rocket? I'm gonna be okay.
I won't cry.
Yeah, he won't cry. And
he cut this part.
yeah, a lot of people don't like me because I'm a diamond bead cutter. I'm a cutter of diamond painting beads.
I think we just have to cut this part off.
It doesn't fit here, Rocket, and that's why I was trying to plan it first. Okay, so these two. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to figure out how to frame it. I could obviously just stick it like normal, but we want to be creative and we want it to look nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up. Maybe we could write Rocket on the side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all the way to the edge.
Using beads.
And we could try putting beads, spare beads, and spell Rocket on it. So we'll just mount it right away and then just let's go with it. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Want to take off this?
Huh? Sure. Now, what are you talking to, Daddy?
Talking to you.
Yeah, you can take that one.
Fill this up.
Easy, easy. This was easy.
Here, take this off.
Easy. Oh, it got sticky.
Easy.
This is on the wrong side.
Wait.
I don't know how it's stick, Daddy.
Because we put double stick tape.
Double?
Yeah.
Stick tape.
Double stick tape.
With this one?
Yeah, that's
double.
that's double stick tape.
It says double.
Yeah, on the label it's double stick tape.
And now a double.
Hmm. We're gonna put glue here, and then you're gonna do diamond painting with it. Okay. So we're just gonna put. We're not gonna use the spreader. We're not gonna use the spreader. So just the point. Okay, let's go from this end.
And Daddy have a little bit angry. Yeah, and he needs. Yeah. Over here. Yeah, and I saw he getting some blood out. I think so.
Alright, now Rocket. You're gonna do a little bit of diamond painting. Okay, you know what color? Red. Okay. So watch Rocket do diamond painting. Can you do it upside down? With the painting upside
I
down?
put it right here.
Yeah, just put it on your name. Okay? Wow, almost done.
Yeah, did it.
You did it.
Yeah, and I need to clean this.
Yeah, we'll clean it after. Wait, stay here.
I'll put this back for that.
Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Here.
There we go. And this how. What is boom. We're still not gonna do that. We went over the drill. We're going to do why this coat to put it back? We're going to be then need another one. And look, there's still a lot more. Look here, is it like a little bit? But when you look here, there is a lot. Yeah.
So, Rocket just finished his diamond painting of his name.
Ready rocket. I see a ready rocket. I see a
No,
rocket.
just Rocket. Yeah.
Yeah.
too dark. Why don't you put it near here? Why don't you put it here? Okay, why don't you sit beside it? Yeah.
Wait, what do you say?
Thank you, Anna.
No, Roanna.
Anna. But that's just a regular thing.
No, it pulls off at the bottom.
Hi.
Hi, so we just watched Lonni.
Wow.
Rocket. We just watched Lonni Hatch open the kits that she got from Diamond Shop, and it was the cutest video that we saw.
Hi, Roanna.
Hi, Roanna.
We're
Hi,
doing unboxing our
Roanna.
second attempt.
With her 3 kids opening the boxes. And if we remember correctly, that was Linnea, Roland, and Lincoln. Remember, they were saying hi to us and saying thank you. Remember?
Yeah.
Roland says he wants to be your best friend. What do you say to that?
Thank you.
You want to be his best friend? Yeah?
Thank you. Oh, Rocket. Yeah.
I think he's feeling a bit shy.
Yeah.
Hi,
Rocket. Hi, Rocket. Hi,
Rocket, I want to be your best friend.
and hi,
Okay,
Scooter. Hi.
Say hi, Roland.
Hi, Rowan.
Hi, Lincoln.
Hi, Lincoln.
Hi, Linnea.
Hi, Linnea.
And then Zulie's over there. She's passed out. Oh, she's
Yeah,
awake.
she's
She's awake. I thought that that was such a cute and fun video to watch. Definitely a great idea having your kids open the packages for you. It was just super entertaining. Not a single boring moment in those 2 videos that you posted, Lonni. So awesome job. Did you see Roland's reaction with the drill pen? The
Yeah,
flute drill pen?
Oh.
Yeah, he was shocked, right?
Yeah.
Well, glad you guys like your pens, and thanks again, Lonni, for your unboxing video. Hope to chat with you again soon. Bye!
Bye.
Nice, thank you, Roanna. That, okay, your germs do not go on there. Mine.
What? You get to play all the music?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Is this for me?
Oh. But that's just a regular thing.
No, it pulls off at the bottom. Oh, that's so cool, huh?
Okay. Hey, I want to try.
All right.